This product is one of the best-selling at the moment and has been successful in the United States. So, in this video, we will talk about the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. All important information about this product: benefits, how to use ingredients, warranty, side effects, where to buy and more. So watch this video until the end, because you have a very important warning to tell you, right? Well, recently at the University of Alberta in Canada, a discovery was made, which proves that all people who are overweight have high levels of toxic lipid molecules, which are called ceramides. Is the ceramides that force our body to spread fat cells throughout the body. And when the organs get clogged with fat, they can no longer burn the body fat. Thinking about it, it was created a way to achieve the ceramides and thus dissolve the bad fat. And it is this powerful juice that many men and women drink every day, the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice. This juice is a blend of 8 exotic nutrients with 8 additional ingredients designed to act on the root cause of bad fat accumulation, which are the ceramides compounds. Among its benefits is weight loss, increases energy, regulates blood sugar levels, is antioxidant, accelerates metabolism and thus improves quality of life. There are no contraindications as it is a product with 100% natural formula without stimulants, non-transgenic and vegetarian. That is, anyone can take this juice. All ingredients are quality and produced with FDA registration and manufactured in the United States. I.e., Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is sold in kits with 1 bottle, 3 and 6 bottles. In the purchase of 3 or 6 bottles, you earn 3 more exclusive bonuses and still get free shipping. You have 180 days warranty. If you're not satisfied with your results during the minimum treatment time with the juice, you can ask for the money back. Now, a very important warning to help you in buying you Ikaria Lean Belly Juice, because it is a product widely sold at the moment, and to ensure that you buy an original product and avoid fakes. Ikaria Lean Belly Juice is sold only on the manufacturer's original website, which is available here below this video. It's not sold on sites with Amazon and eBay, right? If you are interested in purchasing any of the Ikaria Lean Belly Juice kits right now, the official website link is below. Well, there are several testimonials from men and women who consumed the juice and that actually have weight loss results every day. You can check here on the official website below. To check all the information of Ikaria Lean Belly Juice and acquire online any of the kits with exclusive bonuses and free shipping, click right now on the button below this video to be redirected to the official website of Ikaria Lean Belly